So, you guys, I was going to ask if you guys can rate my base 1 out of 10. Don't be mean because I've only been playing Stellar Brainrot for a month. Don't be mean. Yeah, I'm blocking with my fat out Roblox head. First Brainrot we have this. Tricky Lona. Next Brainrot we have Pumpkintini Spiderini. Next Brainrot we have Jackarella, my favorite. Next we have this absolute bun skull. Next we have another Tricolonia. And then we have a Coco Fanto and a Fanto, a Traptoro Dinosauro, Chalalita Chalala, I don't even know it. Trenzo Turbo 3000, and another skull, which is buns. Now we have a zombie Chalala. So, if you guys can rate my base 1 out of 10, that would be good. And bro, I'm not gonna rebirth anymore because I'm not trying to get rid of my Brainrots even though they're still buns. Pee pee kiwi. He wrote picked up though.
You wouldn't happen to have any paint, would you?
I do. Paint?
Yes, paint.
Paint?
Yes, paint.
For what?
So you can, for the start, these drawings, they're going to be on the whole.
Don't worry, guys. This is just Lego Boy 305 talking to me. And if you hear him, make sure you all subscribe to Lego Boy 305. He only has 69, and both me and him are trying to get to 100. But before I get to 100, first we need to get Lego Boy 305 and Cars World to 100. So, before you guys get me to 100, start subscribing to Cars World